Hi there, in this video I'm gonna introduce you a very small item. This is a wireless Chime receiver. It has a USB port. It can work with this Tuya small video doorbell. Now I'm gonna test it, and you can plug it to a cell phone charger or the USB port of your laptop or desktop. Here I'm gonna use a power bank and plug it to the USB port of the power bank and power it on, and make the sound. And here you can choose a different sound effect, and here you can adjust the volume. The next I'm going to test it. So this is the sound. I'm gonna pick up now the video and open. So that's it.